Okay, start ready or not? Oh, Jesus. Hello guys, good morning from Portugal. Hola a todos, bom dia! Mais dia de luta! Vamos jogar e ganhar. Ok? Eu tenho quanto? 23 euro, ok? Today I have 23 euro session, guys. The X series of Portugal Lottery. Vamos começar! Let's start! I'm gonna use my kabayan, my country woman, Eternity Luck Scratcher from California. Okay. Vamos começar! Let's start! Okay. Jesus. New tripod, guys. Dancing tripod. Finally, I bought a tripod, but dancing tripod, guys. We're looking for 11, 14, 11. ¿Cuánto? Euro, of course. 17, 24. So I found a win. As expected, €1. Okay, so it's better than nothing. Money back. Let's see, this is also a winner. We're looking for 18 in Portuguese. 23, 25, 24, 29, 19. So no. Okay, so this is not a winner. And my dancing tripod. Ah, Jesus. Nothing right. For the new 20X, guys. Nova Chorus. We're looking for 16, 29, 30, 21, 13, 18, 31, 22, 15, 34, 27, 26, no? Nope. We're looking for 29, 28, 32, 33, 35. Ay, Portugal. Oh, Lord. 31, 32, 33. Where is 34? Ay, 24. 34. Sure, here. 16, 22, 21, 14. Nada, of course. 21. This one. 21, 11. 28, 19, 34, 32, come on, ticket. 13, 30, 26, 33, 18 y 16. Oh Lord, 3 in a row are losers. Let's go to 50X. We're looking for 11, 23, 45, 17, 44, 13, 41, 22, 24, 29, 26, 42, 45, 21, 35, 31, nada, 37, no 30s, 43, 44, 45, 12, 28 y 40. Oh Lord, nada. So far it's only €1. This is our last hope. Ay, so far it's only €1. This is a winner, at least €10. I'm okay. Rather than €1. Okay. We're looking for 35, 11, 39, 27, 44, 36, 43, 33, oh, 35, 30, 19, 37, 41, 17, 21. Come on, multiplier. 13, 29. I need 39. 24. 23. Oh, Lord. 22. Become worse. Worse and worse. 46. 45. 40. Ano? 40. 48. Nada. 18. 28 y 16. Oh Lord, I bought all the losers in the world, guys. All the losers in the world. Oh Lord, so there's no win. There's no win. I got only €1. Out of €23, I got €1. Ay, Jesus. It's the same. The same, guys. The same. Okay, so I got €1. And out of 23, I got €1. So what we can do? What we can do? Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Obrigada a todos. Ciao.